Hare Krishna, welcome. Today, join the sloka session, 17th chapter, 12th sloka of Srimad Bhagavad Gita.
अभिसन्धाय तु फलं दम्भार्थम् अपि चैव यत् युज्यते भरतश्रेष्ठ तं यज्ञं विद्धि राजसम्।
Let us see what sloka Krishna says. Here, Krishna says clearly about the yajna and its character, and in a very clear, undisputable method. The yajna performed for some material goal or material benefit or performed ostentatiously in a big way out of pride is the nature of passion, O Arjuna. So the yajnas also can be performed with different moods and modes of the people. But Krishna can clearly demarcate them and categorize them as performed in a good mood, in a tapo mood, in a rajasic mood. Categorize very clearly, give the reward suitable for each of them without even our asking for that. See, people nowadays they conduct yajnas and yagas more for the name's sake. Name means to spread their names, either for political purpose or for election purpose. They do such yajnas with some goal always in mind. So in that they all try to excel each other and try to make a good impact. So and they get the material goal or benefit, but the yajna is not fruitful from the, though it is fruitful from material point of view, from spiritual point of view, Krishna gives a 0 mark for that, because they are performed out of pride and it's a nature of the passion and it cannot be conducted, counted as a good yajna. That is Krishna's prerogative. How to categorize, how to mark it, how to reward that. Now, a joke. Mr. Keshav is asking for a joke from Mr. Madan. Madan is another MD, but whenever for time pass they meet, usually if they are in a mood, they ask Madan to tell a specific joke on a specific word. And the funny thing is, Madan never runs out of jokes. Whatever he asks, he is ready with an answer immediately. Same way, now also, Keshav asks Mr. Madan, can you tell me a joke about Russian administration? Russian administration is very famous because there is no rule or argument by the inmates of the jails or accused or whatever it is. They have very limited rights and that also curtailed from time to time. So the Madan says, he quotes instantly an incident where in Russia 3 men were arrested for office performance. The first man said, I came late, so I was punished. So I deserve it. So he went and sat. The second man said, I came early. People are wondering, when he came early, what is the accusation? He says, when I came early, so I was accused as a spy. I must have come before time just to find some problems or some schemes of the government. That's what they were suspecting, and he was arrested. Then the third man was arrested. He answered, when I came on time, then everybody was wondering, a man who is late is punished, a man who is early is punished. Now what about a man who is late? So once an actor said, nobody wants to come late, but late happens. So Whether they want or not, delay happens. Like that, this fellow said, I came on time and they assumed that the watch I was having must be of US make only. So, what is a man supposed to do? He can either come on time or late or early, one of the three. So, all of them were punished for any one of the faults. Hare Krishna.